Imagine waking up one day and realizing your job is already gone. Not taken by another human, but by a machine. You walk into your office and something feels wrong. Your chair is no longer yours. A machine is sitting there. This sounds like science fiction, but this is the future. Artificial intelligence is not coming, it is already here. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just an idea. It is real, it is growing, and it is everywhere. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are building systems that can think, learn, and create like humans. They can write stories, generate images, even produce videos. But the real question is this a breakthrough or a threat? Just a few years ago, AI could only perform simple tasks, but today, everything has changed. AI can write articles, design graphics, compose music. It can even talk like a human. AI is helping doctors detect diseases faster. It is driving cars without human control. It is managing businesses, making decisions in seconds. And the most shocking part? This is only the beginning. But every powerful technology comes with a cost. Jobs are disappearing. Customer service roles are being replaced. Data entry jobs are vanishing. Even programmers are starting to feel the pressure. AI does not get tired. It does not need sleep. It works faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Millions of people could lose their jobs. Not just low-skilled workers, even highly skilled professionals are at risk. But this is not the end. This is a transformation. While some jobs disappear, new ones are being created. AI specialists, prompt engineers, digital creators, people who understand AI are moving ahead faster than ever. With just a laptop and an internet connection, anyone can build something powerful. The opportunity is real. The biggest companies in the world are investing heavily in AI. Tesla is building self-driving cars. Amazon is automating global delivery. Tech giants are racing to build the most powerful systems, because whoever controls AI controls the future. Imagine a world where AI becomes your assistant. It reminds you of everything. It helps you make decisions. It understands your needs better than anyone else. AI becomes your doctor, diagnosing problems before you even feel them. It becomes your teacher, teaching you in the fastest way possible. Life becomes easier, faster, smarter, but also more dependent. But what if we go too far? What if AI becomes more powerful than we expect? What if humans lose control? As we depend more on machines, we risk losing something important: our creativity, our independence, our humanity. The danger is not in AI itself. The danger is how we use it. AI is not your enemy, but ignoring it could be your biggest mistake. The world is changing faster than ever, and the future belongs to those who adapt. So ask yourself, will you use AI, or will AI replace you?